Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woo. GT3 RS. It's like a frog. It's like frogs in a pond.
It does look like Carmen.
Look at it. Yep. He looks like he's smiling at you.
Oh, I'll take a picture of that one. Is that a Porsche? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's even got like gills on the side. It's got the amphibian looking like, it's like a fish.
Yeah.
And then I guess this is the new thing, like this carbon fiber looking on the headlights. They did that on the Lamborghini too. Yeah, it has little flippers. That SS back there had like mirrors that were like this big, like tiny little mirrors.
Look at this thing.
That Firebird. This is a Corvette. Woo! Yeah. Again, looks like a frog or a really mean jack-o'-lantern. Look at like that jagged smile right there and like the eyes. I love, look at this detail right here. I love it. Just in case you didn't know where the curb was, you're gonna find out where the curb is right here. Like there's no doubt where the curb is. And then again, with the carbon fiber thing, this must be like the latest thing this year. It's even got it on the dashboard too. See in the dashboard here? It's got that carbon fiber detail here, here, and there on the inside too. It's crazy.
Just a two-seater.
Yeah. Yeah, you're not going on a road trip with this.
Got a little bit of storage back there. Got a little bit of storage back there.
Yeah, I mean, you're going from like, oh, sorry. You're going from like LA to Vegas with this thing. You're not like going across the country with it. So maybe like 2 little bags, buy what you need when you get to Vegas. You're going to win on the slots anyway. Actually, you own this, you're probably playing Baccarat.
Oh, yeah.